What's up, guys? Welcome to this old city walking tour in Dubai. We're going to be visiting old Dubai. Now, for the past two to 2.5 days, we've been in the main part of Dubai, which is like new modern Dubai, but we also want to see old Dubai, so we decided to take a walking city tour there, which, in my opinion, seems pretty fun, so let's do it. Guys, before we started the tour, when we were still in the car, I had to get a good picture of this famous Dubai frame thing. If you have the time, I would recommend visiting it, but I honestly don't know what it's like because I've never been, and I just snapped a photo for you guys before we started the tour. So, as you can see, this is where we started the tour at the Arabian Tea House Cafe in Al Fahidi. This was like our meeting spot, and this was also the area where we started the tour. Our tour guide's name is Chanli. I have her information and I will show it in the next part of the video.
Area is completely refurbished. Something Juno area, but completely refurbished area.
Really nice benches and tables.
अभी तो શું છે ઈ આપણે સ્પાઇસ માર્કેટમાં સમજજો બધા સ્પાઇસીસ જ છે ઓકે બટ આ યુ કેન યુ નો ખાલી સ્મોલ ડે ટુ
This is a spice market, guys. It's pretty cool. We are currently in this market like area, and I thought I'd make sure you guys some Arabic artwork because why not? It looks beautiful, and we basically walk through this like market area, and this is also another part of our tour.
People from Bastak, city known as Bastak, originally Iran, they came here for the business purpose and they were here to settle down. So these were the beautiful houses made by coral stones, mud and stuff to stay there for them. So they made these houses and they used the real good woods from Africa. They brought it. They were the ones that came here, as you can say, exporters or for the business purpose. Because Iran from here is just like 2 hours. Talking about this particular place, this is Sheikh Mohammed's cultural understanding. This is the place where you have to book yourself. You have to reserve either for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and then you can eat with a local person over here. A local guy, he will be talking to you. You can ask about any cultural, that why they are marrying 4 wives, how many kids they can have, what government is providing them. Although I will say the same, but this is still, it is an authentic to have somebody who is Imarati over here. And talk to them. Over here in this house, they are here doing this business since last 3 to 4 generations. This is the system. The local people over here, the aged ones, they still get together. They have their coffee, talk, chit chat, and smoke shisha if they like. If not, they will just keep on talking. These are all the people working for Sheikh Mohammed Cultural Houses. So this way to go, please. Now I'll take you to the majlis. Hello. Majlis is basically a sitting area, like a drawing room. But as per the culture, they have a different drawing room. For men, it is different, and for the ladies, it is different. Over here, this is the center. But at the same time, in the past, we used to have a motel here. I'm not pretty sure it's working any longer. So at that time, over here, we have yoga classes sometimes, like arts. This complete area was rebirth. What happened was, in the past, they decided to demolish it. First, Iranian were saying, as the development begins, they started moving outside, like the other areas of Dubai. Once they started, because it was an old, they shifted all the labor classes over here. At one time, it was only with the labor classes. So once the labor classes were here, and then the Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai and the vice president of United Arab Emirates, he thought to demolish it. At the same time, there was one architect from UK. He came here, he saw this place and he loved it. So he took one house on a rent for temporary purpose to stay there. Then he refurbished complete house because it was broken, the coral stones were out. So he stayed here. At that time, he got to know that Prince Charles is traveling to UAE. So he wrote a letter to Prince Charles that kindly come over here and at least visit Al Fahidi for one time. So when Prince Charles was at United Arab Emirates, at that time he came here and he told that this is your heritage, you should not demolish it. After that, the municipality took over and the complete area was refurbished. Now we have just one wall, which is the oldest. This complete site is all refurbished. Second thing, whenever, still in today's age, if you are going to any local people house, the main entrance are always short where you enter for the drawing room. It says that you have to remove your shoes outside, then you go inside by just bowing down your head. That shows the respect towards their house. If you read Bhagavad Gita or if you read Quran or Bible, it says that should not be higher than our temples or the masjids or any houses should not be higher than that. That is a different story.
Okay,
We don't
okay.
believe it. We have moved on. That's a different
I
story.
didn't know
But
that
like
part, that it says that no house should be
Yes.
higher than the temple.
temple or masjid or church. But now, like nobody believes it. See over here, you can see the sun stresses. This was like whatever was preserved is preserved, and then they have just refurbished it on top of that. Okay, now talking about this complete area. First of all, these boats were used for the pearl diving business. Before 1960s, they were into the pearl diving business, but once the Japanese started cultivating the black pearl, and they were used to go in this natural creek where the schools is there, that's our natural creek. And they used to go in this kind of boat, like 20 people will go, 10 will jump inside, collect the oyster, blow the whistle. So other 10 will pull them back. Secondly, you can see these things. These are the places where they used to store the water. We do have the water well, but when you talk about the water well, they cannot, the water cannot stay for a longer time because the temperature in summer over here goes to 55 degrees Celsius. And with that humidity goes 80 to 90%. So in the past also it was way too hot. So they used to remove all the water and try to store it in the wooden boxes. So all the water.
So remove groundwater and store it in the water.
No, they used to have wells. They used to have everywhere this thing. It is like you can say naturally or with the God grace, they have many places they have water wells still today. If you go even in the desert, they have it. So
As you can see, you'll find one of these things that shows some information in both English and Arabic about the wall of Old Dubai, so I thought I might show you guys. As you guys can see, this is the wall of Old Dubai. That is a fact that I just learned. It looks really ancient. This is what the wall looks like, and there was also this boat as a model, or maybe it was used, not sure, for the pearl diving purpose. And yeah, it's really interesting to see this kind of stuff. And if you have noticed earlier, I also showed some information about the wall of the Old Dubai.
or if there are too many people, they used to go over here and then they used to block this area. Very good morning to you.
Morning.
Have a look. Yeah, you can take picture inside.
So this is also mushrooms?
No,
This is the chalk.
yeah. This is mushrooms.
I think this is one of the cafes that's probably related to Old Dubai.
Middle area.
There are these really nice patterns which feature comfortable chairs. Really nice ambiance in the setting. I can easily relax here.
Yeah, please. This is like really Malti house. See, over here it's smaller. It's mandatory to go like this.
And then they have carpets on the floors.
Carpets are everywhere, even today. Now in the past it was saying they had to keep it, but now it is everywhere. This was how the pearl merchant used to do the business. It will be again in the house.
I thought I might show some of these artifacts of like Arabic coffee, some other important things, some glasses and cups, dishware, I thought I might show some of this information about traditional games. It's also written in Arabic. And it shows traditional games in the United Arab Emirates and what they're like.
Like India.
Yeah.
You can take shower here, but for toilet was an outer side. Okay, now talking about this dress. Since 4 days you are here, right, Krish? How
Yep.
about some dresses? Did you ask? There are people in Burj Al Arab who are wearing these dresses.
Oh yeah, I've seen them.
But
Like
did you ask
workers
them
there.
what it is?
No.
Why? How you know otherwise? Come here. This white gown is known as kandura.
Kandura.
Yes.
Kandura.
This is known as tarbuza.
Tabuja.
Yeah, this is gotra.
Gotra.
And this is agal.
Yeah.
In the past, they used to travel desert to desert. Nice sitting area. You can read books, relax. One side is a shopping like, one side is like paintings. You can have a look at it. Let's just quickly.
We are currently at the Al Fahidi Fort. What was this for?
Sorry?
What was this for?
This was for the protection to the people in the past. When they were staying together and when there was no much people over here, so to protect them from the pirates or from the traders or any kind of enemies, they used to stay together and the fort was to protect them. It's giving you a choice. You
I
might
think that
stay
this
here.
is the largest mosque in Dubai. I thought I might show it. It's pretty massive. How many people could it seat at once?
2,000.
It could seat 2,000 people at once, which is pretty cool. As you guys can see, there's the minaret up there. And yeah, I thought I might show this because it might be really interesting for you guys to see. As you can see, we are currently in the market area of old Dubai because there are lots of shops here. I'm not sure whether this is the gold souk or the market area, but whatever it is, it's pretty cool, so I thought I might highlight it. We're gonna be going on a boat to get to the other side, and we're gonna visit this really cool market there, and we're gonna try some hibiscus juice. That's what I hear. And as you can see, the boats look incredibly cool. I've never been on a boat like this, so I can't wait to show you guys. I have some bad news for you guys, and that is I might not be able to show the entire city tour in this video, but I'll talk about it in my video on the top many things to do in Dubai. Whereas my GoPro's at low battery, so I might not be able to show the entire city tour. I apologize in advance for this. So yeah. We are currently at this really nice market area, and these are some of the spices shown, so I just thought I might show you guys. And yeah, on the inside, this is what that shop looks like, the one with the hibiscus juice. This was one of my favorite parts of the city tour, and I'll show you guys why. You guys, this is honestly very fun. We're trying a bunch of dates and
You do it. Clean out the
spices.
sinus.
It's really nice. The hibiscus juice was very sour, but really good. I'd highly recommend coming here. It's a lot of fun. After visiting that shop with the hibiscus juice and all the cool spices, we visited another cool market which featured these really cool looking Turkish lamps, which in my opinion are incredibly pretty and beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I appreciate you watching. I'm so sorry that I had to end it there because my GoPro was unfortunately not working and it sadly died. So remember, I want to reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year, so please click that subscribe button and also leave a like down below and comment if you feel like it. I love reading your comments and they're all really nice, so bye.